Hey everyone, can you guess what bunnies, Easter eggs, and financial planning have in common? Stick around and I will reveal the answer in this egg sitting video that's going to change the way you look at your financial during Easter. Let's hop right into it. I am Amit Tiwari, and if you are new to our channel, we are all about helping you master your finances and create a future of abundance. Today we have got a extra special episode for you where you will connect the dots between Easter and financial planning. Let's get cracking. When you think of Easter, financial planning might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But trust me, it's the perfect time to get your finances in order. Let's dive into the top 5 lessons you can learn from Easter to lesson 1, budgeting. Just like you would budget to Easter celebration, it's essential to create a budget for your regular expenses. Not only will this help you track your spending, but it's also put you on the path of financial freedom. So next time you are budgeting for Easter eggs, think about how you can apply the same principle to your everyday finances. Lesson 2, saving. Easter reminds us of the importance of saving. Whether it's stashing away chocolate eggs or putting money aside for a rainy day, set up an emergency fund, contribute to your retirement account, and save for those future golden eggs. Lesson 3, financial discipline. We all know how tempting it's to be splurge on Easter treats, but practicing financial discipline is key. Stick to your budget, resist unnecessary expenses, and you will be hoping towards your financial goal into no time. Lesson 4, giving and generosity. Easter is all about giving, so why not spread some love to those in need? Donate to charity, help a friend, or teach your kids about the importance of giving. This way you will not only make a difference but also teach valuable financial lesson to the next generation. Lesson 5, spring cleaning your finances. Just as you are cleaning your home during this season, use this time to review your finances, declutter your expenses, your financial documents are organized. Trust me, your future self will be thank you. And there you have it, folks. Easter might be all about bunnies, chocolate, and egg hunts, but it's also a fantastic opportunity to learn valuable financial lesson. Follow these 5 tips and you will be well on your way to achieve your financial goal. If you find this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family so they can get in on these excellent financial tips. Have a fantastic Easter, and until next time, keep chasing those financial dreams. Bye. Thank you.